of all emotional shackles and temptations and guides us towards enlightenment and peace. Himali Spiritual Center is the gateway to liberation from pain, misery and suffering. Here, through religion, meditation, yoga, worship and gem therapy, all troubles are treated. Himali Spiritual Center, 718-887-2929.
Hello friends, very good evening. I'm your host Sherry Datta and you're watching ITV Live. Once again, we are here. I'm here with my favorite person, the woman I admire, I love, I follow. She's here after a long, she's Himali ji.
Namaste, namaste. Thank you for having
it's
me.
It's always good to see you, and we were having a very good conversation.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
Himali ji, people were expecting and they called about, we were supposed to give them the yearly horoscope.
Yes, so we're going to give them the yearly.
And along with the horoscope, I have some questions to ask. So I think, friends, this is a live program on every Friday, ITV. On ITV, we are live from 6:30 to 7, according to New York Times, Eastern Standard Times. So, Himali ji, shall we begin with the horoscope?
Yes, we can. We can
Yes.
begin. I will tell you roughly a little bit about each sign, zodiac sign, what are the character of the person.
Yes.
But Vedic astrology is little different. And the Vedic astrology is by the date of birth, the place of birth will determine what is your lagan with the time, and that tells you what is the character of a person.
How we determine those signs, Himali ji? Usually I have seen like, as per Gemini, they have like twins. And if it is Libra, it's a sign of the balance.
Yes.
I mean, how we give them those pictures, those imaginations, how we create those zodiac signs.
When you see the Aries, this is the way. The Aries is the half is the goat, and the half is the man. So they're like bullhead. They're like very stubborn-headed people. They'll take a decision without thinking.
Is this
the
the
planet,
kind of
yeah.
stars formation?
Yes, it's a star.
And then we make them into a sign,
Yes.
zodiac sign. Okay.
And we'll go with Aries.
Okay.
Aries is the beginning of where the sun is given birth. This year, Saturn is still running on leaving Libra, but is still on Scorpio and Sagittarius.
Okay.
Next year, it changes its form because it does it every 2.5 years. I mean, its sub-periods are different. This is in the major period of Saturn, Satsati, Saturn,
Shani Satsati.
yeah, Shani Satsati, Saturn for 7 years period or
Yes.
2.5 period.
Right.
So next year it changes, but still this year Saturn is still there on form affecting Libras, Scorpios and Sagittarius.
So this Saturn 7.5 years dasha will be.
It's still going on. Last year it changed, and it's still on this year, and it's going to change next year.
But things
so a lot
go
of people,
worse during
yes, this period. So
Yes.
a lot of people think that, oh, Himali ji, my Saturn is probably be over this year. No, some people do have, we call it like Gra problem, Shani problem.
Okay.
They are still amongst it.
Okay.
And I always advise people, get a reading. Get a horoscope reading, individual person reading.
Yes.
At least 2 times, 3 times, 4 times is minimum. Don't get it every month. You don't need it. It doesn't change every month.
Yes.
At least you can try to get every quarterly, or definitely like twice a year or once a year you should get it done. And that will pretty much tell you what is good, bad is going to happen. So
Right.
Aries people, they're born in the time when the Surya, we call the sun, is in its birthplace. They're very self-respectable people. They're very, very good friend, loyal friend, very good hard worker, but they become very bad husbands if it's a male.
Okay.
Female, sorry, on the other hand, is much better. Females are much better.
Aries.
Aries.
Okay.
Male and female, there's always a different.
Yes,
There's
right.
always a different in all zodiac sign. Male has a different, female has different.
Right.
Females are more homely, they're more family oriented, they most likely want to keep the families together, they're family bound.
Right.
Guys are family, but they feel like, okay, my family should be second, and they try to get the world to be in the first. And if they're going to business, they usually go into business, but they go in without thinking. They'll take decisions straight away. They take a risk, high risk takers.
Okay.
So Aries, this year for you still, please Consult your loved ones, your someone, before you take high risk in your business. You'll be taking a lot of business, and a lot of changes will happen, good and bad, for Aries this year. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. This year, you'll be improving your business or expanding your business. That will be very good for you. You might hear or get some bad news from family or a loved one this year. Students will do well, and Monday is a good day for them. Taurus, on the other hand, they're very much of a stubborn person. They very much set what they want to do, how they want to do things. If they have a particular way, they do these things. And Taurus people are very family. They don't tend to get very much people. They have a very small group of people. They're friendly with everybody, but they're very close. They love to be closer to, they probably have a Taurus husband or a wife. You'll find them very stubborn people, and they're very much family type. They need to be close to the family. Taurus, this is a mixed year for you. If you have any kind of little issues with your health, please do not ignore your health. Your health can give you problem this year. If you are self-employed, you might get little financially tight. So do not take into big expand or do anything really lavish or big. Not that they do, but don't go into something. Do not do any partnership. You will have little difficulties this year. If you're working for somebody, this is a very good time. You will get recognized. If you are thinking of getting married or any kind of relationship, Taurus, this is a very good time for you to think about relation and marriage this year for you if you have been waiting to get married. Students will do really well. If you have really getting a lot of health problem, you should pray this year mostly to Lord Shivji, fast on a Monday, and donate milk to over the Shivling. The most likely, if you are a woman, you do that mantra Om Shivaya Namah. If you are a male, you do that mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Gemini, this is a good year for them, but Gemini people are great, wonderful people they are. They see something one time, they do it really, really good. But there's a bad side to it for Geminis. What they do, then if they're with bad companies, they tend to do bad things. They're very stubborn people, but very good people if they are, very much. They change, they will fluctuate, they will change. They're not like Taurus, that very stuck people. They'll fluctuate, they will go in time. This year for them, it's very good for them. Health-wise, they'll be good. Financially, they'll be good. Students, however, this year is going to have little difficulties in their studies and education, so they need to put their full focus on their education this year. Wednesday is a good day for them. Cancers are very sensitive, emotional people. They are very quiet people. They like to be left alone. They don't like to be in the tension too much or in the center of any attention too much. They're very calm people. They're very much good with families. They keep the family very close together. They're very good at doing things independently themselves, like by themselves. They don't like other people interfering. This is a mixed year for them. Health-wise, they'll be good. Financially, they'll be good. They might be having difficulty in family life this year, so they really need to pay more attention, advice, and see if your families are feeling they've been ignored or you haven't spending time. You really need to focus on your family life this year, Cancer. Students will do really well. Monday is a good day for them. Leos, on the other hand, are very much of a fighter people. They're go-getters. Guys are very laid back, very quiet. Women are very hard-working people. They're also very much loyal friends, and they like to show off a lot. So this year, don't show off. There's a problem with every character, but Leos usually like to, if you pump them, like you tell them, oh, you're really good, they'll go out of the way and they'll do.
Yes, I'm experiencing a little Leo, my son, so I know.
And the guys are a little lazy in that. They tend to do when they want to do, very moody people, but very good in heart. This is a mixed year for them. They need to take care of their health. They'll be financially little tight. They'll have lots of programs, lots of things, but things will delay for them. Don't get too frustrated. Don't take big chances in anything or drastic change this year for you. You will do a lot of traveling this year for you. Students will do really well. If you're in your own business, doing your own business, it will be a good year for you. Sundays is a good day for them. Virgos, they're very much of a person that will change, but they're very organized, neat, tidy people. They're very organized. very much into, if you put them into any kind of office work management, they will do well. But they're also very much self-respectable people. You can't tell them in order. You have to tell them with love and respect. This is a good year for them. Financially, they will do well. Health-wise, they will. If they've been waiting to buy a home or a property, this is a good year for them. They can do really well. If you are waiting to get married or planning, this is also a very good time for them. Relationship is very good. Students will do really well this year. Wednesday is their good day for them. Libra, again, we have the scale. Libra is are very much people, they like nice things in life. They're very much of a family people. They like to keep small, but they cannot make a decision. So if you have a Libra husband or a wife, you'll most likely have to do the decision for them. If you leave it for them, it might not happen.
How with Libra children?
Same thing. They will take a long time to make a decision because they weigh the both sides. By the time they weigh, and they get, it becomes very frustrating for the people, for the loved ones. Okay. But they're very good people in heart. This is a mixed year for them. Financially, they will be good. They will get work done. They will do a lot of pending works that they needed to be done. Health-wise, they'll be good. If they are thinking of changing career or job, this year is not that great for them. They should wait. Health-wise, sorry, I already said their job, if they are working for somebody, it is a good time for them. If they are thinking of taking partnership and doing a business, is not good. They should do by themselves. It will be good for them. Friday is a good day for them. Scorpios are very much a water people, and they're very stubborn people, but they're also very set, very sensitive, emotional people too.
Right.
Scorpios. Financially this year they will be little tight. They will help a lot of friends and family this year. Health-wise, they'll be good. They'll spend a lot of time on trips, short trip, long trips. This year they'll be traveling a lot. Students will do really well, and Monday is a good day for them. Sagittarius. Sagittarius is very much of a family people, again, very sensitive, very emotional people. But in life, they also find it very difficult to make decisions. It takes a little while for them. They're ruled by the sun, so you probably find them very stubborn and very loyal people. But in their life, they are very much like to do things themselves. Okay. They don't like to have too many people doing things. Mm-hmm. Sagittarius people, this will be a little mixed year for them. Financially, they'll be a little tight. Health-wise, they need to take care of. They might have health issues this year. They might have major decision taking in jobs, which will be good for them. If they're thinking of changing home or buying, it's very good time for them. Students will do really well. Thursday is a good day for them. Capricorn. Capricorn is a sign which is... They will keep a lot of things. It's like you get the person with the little pot. So what happens, they will keep a lot of people's secret. Capricorns are very good and loyal. So you can tell a Capricorn male and a female. Remember, this is by the zodiac. So people can say, oh, I have a Capricorn friend, and he or she...
maybe it doesn't apply on them. Maybe,
yes, it's about 90%. So
yes.
This is not anything 100%. It's up to 90%.
Right.
So they're very much of a secret keepers. They're very good in secret. They don't talk much. They keep a lot of things inside of them. But they're very stubborn. They're set in their own ways what they want to do. This is actually a good year for them. This year it will be very good. Health-wise, they'll be good. Financially, they'll be good. Students will do good. This year, they will have a lot of opportunity to do things. So please take those opportunities and do not delay anything. Saturday is a good day for them.
Right.
Aquarius. Aquarius is also the water sign. You'll see that's the two. They're very much of people who like to create things. And they're very spiritual people too.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
They're the water sign people. Very family people they are. This is a good year for them. Financially, they'll be good. This year, they might buy and sell properties, which will gain them. So they might sell properties, they will buy properties. Also, work-wise, they'll be good. Students will do really well this year, and Friday is a good day for them. And then we have Pisces,
yes.
the two fishes. these people are very much independent people. They don't like to be told what to do, and you can't tell them what to do. They don't like to be told what to do. But they're very much, again, very sensitive, emotional people. This is a good year for them. Job-wise, they'll do really good. Financially, they'll be really good. Health-wise, they'll be good. They'll do a lot of traveling this year. Also, if they're thinking of getting married or any relation, this is a very good time for Pisces. Saturday is a good day for them.
Very nice, great. Friends, that was the horoscope, yearly horoscope. But let me tell you one thing, that wasn't the complete horoscope, because you all need to have a complete reading. Because in few lines you cannot describe
the
and
365 days
yes,
cannot be done.
Every day
in
is
few.
different, you know.
Yes.
And every day the sun's position is different, the moon is different,
Yes.
and all the stars, they're falling into different places. So I think to have the complete reading, friends, Himali ji is always there to guide you spiritually, personally, and her address is, her spiritual center is located at 131-14 101 Avenue, South Richmond Hill, and the phone number is 718-887-2929. You can make an appointment and you can ask whatever is going around to you, and whatever you want to, you know, have a specific reason. I mean, you want to know the specific reason for any particular your personal problem, your business, your social life, whatever it is. So friends, as I mentioned before, this is a live program on every Friday from 6:30 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and here we are ready to take your live calls. आप एक सवाल अपना पूछ सकते हैं अपने डेट ऑफ बर्थ और अपने प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ के साथ, और जो भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है आप इस लाइव प्रोग्राम के दौरान हिमाली जी से पूछ सकते हैं. तो समय ज़ाया ना करें, लेट्स बिगिन विद लाइव कॉल्स. हेलो ITV.
Yeah, hi, how are you? How are you? I have a question for Himali ji.
Yes, hi, hello.
Hello, Himali ji. My name is Manoj. I was born in Delhi. Date of birth is June 24th. My question is, whichever job I take, I don't last there for long. Is there some kind of prayer I can do to remedy that? I just got a job in Houston, Texas. I'll be joining on February 8th. So if you can tell me if everything will go well, what can I do to
So your name is Manoj. Your name is Manoj, and your date of birth is June 24,
66.
1966. And where were you born?
In Delhi.
And how old are you, Manoj?
I'll be 50 on the 24th.
And you want to know how this new job will be when you go to Texas?
Right. I mean, I'll be starting the training on February 8th. So I want to know if I will be there for a long time. If I don't want to.
You don't want to move.
I want to excel in the company and keep going.
Is this in computers?
Yes, it's in technical support.
Yeah, it's in computer line. Yes, this will be a very good. This is a very good. I've seen in the past, it's been a lot of changes in your life, a lot of changes in job, but this is a very good. Maybe you might need to change one more time from there, and it will be also in Texas. One more time you will need to change, and it will be very good for you.
Okay, but this one also will be very good then.
Yes, very good.
Okay, is there any kind of prayer I can?
I always suggest people, if they can do, please pray. This is Mataji's beach mantra, because I believe in Kali Yuga, the last days, that Ma और गणेश भगवान बहुत पसंद होते हैं. I mean, you can do pray to Ma and Ganesh Bhagwan, and they listen to you faster. And there's a beach mantra for Ma that I have told everyone. You can light one ghee diya in your home or a candle. You need a natural light, and you sit there, and half an hour you sit and you do every day this mantra. If you only want Bhagwan and you don't want materialistic thing, then you will say Om, Aim, Harim, Kalim, Chamundai, Viche. And because you want to you want to continue your job and you want a prosperity for you and your family, you will do Aim, Harim, Kalim, Chamundai, Viche. And do that mantra for 30 minutes daily.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, ITV Live.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Yeah. I have one question.
Yeah. Is this question for you?
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Gur Singh. G-U-R, last name is Singh.
Gursing.
Okay, Gursingh ji. What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is November 10, 1956.
1956. And where were you born?
In India, Bhiwani, India.
Bhivani.
Bhiwani, Haryana, India.
Bhivani.
Haryana. That's Haryana state.
Yeah.
Haryana.
Right. What is your question, sir?
So
आपका question क्या है?
About my health and my business.
Health and business.
We can only ask one question.
You can only ask one question.
I'll tell you about your health.
only
Health is
for
more
the
important, and even your business is up and down, up and down. And
Yeah.
what I'll tell you, Gursingh.
This year is good for my business, you know.
Okay, this is what I'll tell you, Gursingh ji. This date of birth I don't feel is right, but I'll tell you spiritually, because you're talking to me with your voice and your hours. For the last 6 years, things been up and down, and not smooth for you. And last 2 years has been a little bit difficult, and you've been a little depressed mentally and emotionally, very sensitive. This year is going to be better than last year financially, but health wise it's going to give you little problems. So health wise you need to take care of this year. Next year will be better year for you.
Can you do something spiritually, health-wise to get it
Yes, he
better?
can. He can either come and see me or go to any kind of spiritual place and get help health wise.
What to do for this? Any remedy for this?
आप किसी को इधर वो जो सेम मंत्र मैंने आपको दिया है थोड़ी देर पहले वो कर सकते हैं आप, नहीं है तो आप मुझे आकर मिल सकते हैं या किसी स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन को मिल सकते हैं. तो आपको कुछ करना पड़ेगा इसके लिए, बिकॉज आपके जो हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है ज्यादा शरीर में जैसे बिना वजह से थकावट बहुत होती है, and you get back pain and you get a lot of unknown dullness in you. And like आप सोचेंगे सुबह ये काम करने के लिए, शाम तक you feel like no, I'll do it tomorrow. So this been happening to you for a lot, and you need some help for this because this is some spiritual problem. If you can get any spiritual help with that, it will really help you.
आपको कहाँ न्यू जर्सी मिल सकते हैं?
हाँ, न्यू जर्सी में आप मिल सकते हैं. न्यू जर्सी का एड्रेस है 1717 JFK बुलेवार्ड, जर्सी सिटी, न्यू जर्सी. और
17?
हाँ जी,
आप मेरी ऑफिस में फोन कर वहाँ अपॉइंटमेंट बना सकते हो न्यू जर्सी ऑफिस के लिए.
ओके जी, मैं वहाँ जाता रहता हूँ शिकागो में. ऐसे है जी, मैं सिख परिवार से हूँ.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल ठीक है, आपने नाम बताया है. हाँ जी.
ओके, मैं हनुमान जी को मानता हूँ, हनुमान जी का भगत हूँ.
जी ठीक है.
ओके, और बाकी जो रूटीन पाठ है हम करते हैं अपना.
बिल्कुल ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो आप जो ये नंबर है 7188872929, आप यहाँ फोन कर लीजिए और फिर आप हिमाली जी से मिलने की अपॉइंटमेंट बनवा लीजिए.
ओके जी.
ठीक
ओके,
है.
थैंक यू सिंह साहब.
थैंक यू. हेलो ITV लाइव.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Who am I speaking to?
Hi, good evening.
What is your name?
Nisha Shah.
Nisha
Nisha Shah.
Shah. And your date of birth?
Actually, I'm interested in my son's study.
Okay, what is your son's name, Nisha ji?
Vivek, my son.
Mm-hmm. His date of birth?
July 31st, 1995.
1995.
Yes.
Okay.
And so he's 20 years old. Where was he born?
He was born in South Plainfield in New Jersey.
New Jersey. He's 20. What would you like to ask about him?
His study and career.
Study and career.
He's a very stubborn boy, Behan. Has he changed his mind from one thing to another already? Does he change his career line, his education?
His education, yeah, he just changed his line, yeah.
इसको पता है क्या है बहन, इसका थोड़ा he doesn't focus too well, he's very intelligent, very kind person, but थोड़ा frustrated है पिछले 2 साल से, and he doesn't concentrate too well. इसका sitting नहीं है, and he wastes a lot of time with his friends and other things बहन. If he really wants to study, go further in education, because I feel he can tell you that he will either break his education or stop his education or not do something. You really need to sit and talk to him. He's wasting a lot of time on other things instead of study. If you can sit and talk to him and you can have him pray, because he gets very irritated quickly, very moody quickly. If you can have him sit and pray and concentrate on what he wants to do, because he has changed already his mind almost 2 times, Behen.
Right.
He changed it. If he wants to go into business, he wants to go into medical, it's not a problem, but he has to make up his mind. He's not making up his mind. He wants to go into now business.
Yes.
Yeah. If he goes into business, he will do well, but I feel he will change again. So either you take him, you bring him to me, or you sit with him and you discuss what he needs to do and really work. Otherwise, he's going to waste this year too. ये साल भी ये वेस्ट करेगा बहन. इसका ज़्यादा जो कंपनीज है, फ्रेंड्स इतनी अच्छे नहीं है, और इस वजह से इसका 2 साल वेस्ट हो रहा है बहन. If you can sit with him, you can work, he will do really well.
Okay.
Okay, business में ही जाएगा ये. Okay, thank you.
Hello, ITV Live.
Yeah. Actually, I don't want to talk in a radio, TV. I wanted to bring my daughter to Himali, right?
Yes, Behan.
Yeah, I wanted to come down there to see him in the Jersey City. That will be okay?
Yes, that's fine. So if you can call my office up at 718-887-2929 or 718-880-1955 and ask...
Okay. Can you hold on 1 second and suggest the pain? Because I just had a Jersey City phone number. That will be okay. Help us if I call in during the day?
Yes, if you call during the day, but if you call the main center in New York, they will get appointment for you faster. So if you can call 718-880-1955.
1955. Okay.
Yes, and ask them that you need to make an appointment in New Jersey, so they'll give you...
Yeah, because I wanted to New Jersey one, like a Saturday morning or something. Saturday morning will be better.
Okay.
She cannot work or something.
All right, that should be there. You can ask them. If you want something, and if you cannot come, you want something earlier, I also give on the phone consultation. We can do that too. But
Okay. And how much is the fees? Did you know?
You call the center up, they'll tell you. Thank you.
That was a really good question, because sometimes,
Yeah, it's not much. It's $51.
Yeah.
It's $51 for consultation for a person. And I don't really say, you're going to have 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I speak to the person with all the questions and answers.
Right, perfect.
Some people take 30 minutes, some people take 10 minutes, some people take 45 minutes.
So it is not per minute,
No.
okay?
No, it's not. You can't do that.
Okay.
Yeah, when somebody comes to you, they're coming
Hello?
with a
Yes,
lot of...
ITV Live.
Hi, Himaniji.
Hi.
Actually, I have a question. My name is Raija, and date of birth is November 14, 1973.
1973. And where were you born?
Kerala, India.
Kerala. What would you like to ask?
Yeah, actually, about finance, about my financial security. Whatever I earn, I have more expense than the income. How can I balance that? Is there any prayer I can do?
What you can do, yes, there is. There is a Lakshmi ji for 40 Fridays called Vara Lakshmi ji ki ek vidhi hote hai, pray. And what you do, you fast for 40 Fridays. Okay. And you only eat one time, but you look at the book how you're supposed to do, because everyone's diet is different due to the health that they're in. So, but mostly what it is, whole day, during that day, you will probably eat something sweet or eat something like a fruit or something very light. And when you go home, you will do Lakshmi Ji Puja first. You will do her mantra.
Okay.
And you light a ghee diya, you'll do her mantra, and then you will eat one time, and that's it. So, and you ask Ma, after you do that mantra, you pray, you ask Ma to give you barakat in your money and and give you saving.
Okay, that is for how many Fridays?
40 Fridays, 40.
Okay.
40 Fridays, and that will help you financially. And also in Diwali time, if you can do a Shri Yantra Puja or Lakshmi Ji Puja, it will also help you then.
Right, that was great. So Himali ji, we are about to finish the show. Time is already flying. So any message for all your viewers?
I really would want to ask everyone, viewers, please, I know we live in a very wonderful place, and we also live with all different country people, cultured people, but we are all one, we are all human. Now the weather is so bad, look out for your neighbors or a loved one or someone you could be in need this weather and this time. Tomorrow is really bad weather, and I pray for everyone to be safe, but find out if your loved one, your friend, a neighbor, if it's safe, if they need, especially elderly people, if they need any kind of help. And this is also a very good time for adults, parents, to take their children to elderly people home and teach them that, okay, we need to do this for them, we need to do this kind of grocery, to teach these kids to get more involved with the community and to be able to help people. So when they're seeing elderly people, and these children will go and help, like go and get grocery for them, help them, sit with them. When they grow up, they become very much loving and caring people. Instead of having them sitting at home and watching the video games and playing games, if they can go and take their children, even they can take them to volunteer in the kitchen where they have a lot of people for food, one day food pantry kitchen, somewhere. Take your children, your teenager children, and make them volunteer there over the weekend, especially this winter, and it will help them, teach them for themselves to see what's really out there so they can appreciate what you give them.